If we look deeply into our minds, we see many parts and many layers. And among those parts and layers, we have tug-of-wars, little struggles within ourselves. And when we get mad at ourselves for getting mad, or get critical to ourselves for having the inner critic, then we see that we are caught in an unhealthy loop. So the thing to do next here is break this cycle and create a new healthy loop. So our secondary layer of thought is cheering us on when we cry. And then there is a true release of grief. We can stop the cycle of self-criticism with a new self-talk that is calming and soothing. Something plain and simple like, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. And when we explore these inner parts, we see that there are parts in our way, like the inner critic. And we've been mad at this part, but that just hasn't worked. So we must realize that this part is an inner mechanism that we formed at one time for safety and survival. So let's thank this part for its effort and give it a hug. We can invite our parts to retire in the safe space of the present moment, where all our parts can share a group hug and thankfulness for the healing process. Because it's all us. All our inner parts are coming from us and come harmonized together in thankfulness and care, knowing it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It becomes time to develop a new type of self-talk, an awareness of the part, an ability to sit in a new center of self, identifying our separate parts. You see, then we are no longer being overwhelmed by any of these parts, but are just aware of them and accepting of them, sitting in a new center of self, in a new inner okayness, with a new inner group hug, being the parent of our own inner children, and providing the safe space for them to harmonize, knowing it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.